guys, so today we got something very special. We're showing you how to cook something professionally with a professional microwave. So, yeah, this is our recipe. Extremely complex. Now, I have no idea what happened, but there was some weird thing with the audio, so you didn't really get to see me preparing this. However, it's really, really complex, and there's a pretty good chance that you might not comprehend it. You take it out of the package and put water in it. Some complex stuff right there. Now let's see what we got. Come on over, it looks delicious. Doesn't that look delicious? Sorry about that light, but there is one other thing. Something very important. That without it, this would be completely pointless. And you probably couldn't stomach it. The secret ingredient. I could get in a lot of trouble for telling you this. It's the beef flavor packet. Shh. Just thought you'd rather see this than stare into that light. And just like that, our wonderful meal is ready to eat. Or if you actually want it to taste good-ish, early, you can stir it around a little bit. Really, it's flavorless noodles in flavored water. That is what this dish is. So delicious. So appetizing. So, who wants some? Go ahead. Leave a like if you want some. Delicious. So, there is a purpose behind this. Probably. This is just my way of saying I've got some big stuff coming. A lot bigger than this. Because I've been searching the internet and I found some new interest. But I'm not going to tell you what it is. No. But stick around, there's going to be a lot of exciting things going on. And possibly more noodles. But probably not.